Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be looking at how to change our units in SolidWorks. So let's start a new part file. So click on New, Part, and OK. So when you are in this screen, to change your unit, all you have to do is come to this options. So you see this little gear wheel. That's your options. You click on it. And on that document properties tab, and you see your units over here. Click on units, and you can change your units to millimeter, inch, and centimeter, grams, and seconds, CGS or MKS, or you can customize it. And based on what unit you select, there are other options here where you can change your decimals, change it to 3, however decimal places you want. If you want dual dimensions, which will be dual dimension will give you inches and millimeter if you select dual dimension, and you have just other options to select over here. And that is how you change your unit. And once you're done, you click OK, and that is how you change your unit. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.